In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create abandoned cart email flows in Klaviyo. To begin, open your Klaviyo account and look at the left sidebar. You will want to find the section labeled Flows. This is where all of your automated email and messaging sequences live, including abandoned cart flows. Click Flows in the left sidebar to enter the Flows dashboard. Take a moment here to confirm that the page loads the list of existing flows, because that means you are in the correct area to create a new automation. Next, you will create the new flow itself. On the Flows page, locate the button that says Create Flow. It is typically positioned near the top of the page, so you can easily spot it. Click the Create Flow button. This step is important because it starts the setup process and takes you to the flow creation options. After you start creating the flow, you will see a search area or options to find a specific flow type. Now click into the search field and type Abandon. The goal here is to narrow down the available templates so you can quickly find the abandoned cart option. As you type Abandon, Klaviyo will suggest relevant templates. Continue by selecting the template that matches abandoned cart behavior. At this point, you will be presented with template choices. This is where you should choose carefully, because abandoned cart templates can differ based on timing and setup details. Now feel free to review the options shown on screen. Look for the abandoned cart template that best fits the way you want to recover sales. If you see multiple abandoned cart templates labeled in different ways, take a second to read the descriptions. One may be designed for a simpler abandoned cart sequence, while another may include different message timing or structure. When you are ready, click the template that you want to use. Choosing the correct template now will save you time later, since it determines the basic starting structure of your flow. After you select your template, you will likely be taken into the Flow Builder, where you can customize the messages and settings. At this stage, pay attention to what Klaviyo says about the template differences, because that can affect how many messages are sent and when they are sent. Once you choose the right one, proceed with the template selection. Keep an eye on the screen for any confirmation that the template has been loaded into the Flow Builder. At this point, you should be moving toward configuring your abandoned cart flow using the template you selected. The main idea here is that you are setting the foundation before you make any edits. Finally, once the template is selected and the flow setup page is open, you are ready to begin customizing the flow. This can include things like message content, audience settings, and timing, depending on what Klaviyo provides in the builder for your chosen template. For now, your focus is on completing the template selection process correctly, so the rest of the setup will be straightforward. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to start building your abandoned cart email flow in Klaviyo.